Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making owo sauce that you can pair with boiled yam or plantain. This is a popular delicacy among the Urhobos tribe in Delta State, Nigeria, and the Dos in Edo State. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and let's begin. Over here are my ingredients: fresh tomatoes, palm oil, cooked cow skin, dry catfish, dry pepper, crayfish, onions, smoked mackerel fish, edible potash, seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. To make the sauce, I will add my blended tomatoes and onions in my pan. Next, I will add my grilled mackerel fish, dry catfish, cooked cow skin, crayfish, seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. Next, I will rinse my blender with small amounts of water. Stir to combine, cover and allow it to cook. At this time, the tomatoes has cooked down. As you can see, it has reduced in size. Next, I will add my edible potash, which I dissolved in water. I'm going to leave it open and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. And 5 minutes later, this is what we have. I'm going to set it aside and allow it to cool down before adding my palm oil. 5 minutes later, the sauce has cooled down a little bit. Next, I'm going to add my palm oil, stir to combine, and our owo sauce is ready. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.